That exact product can be purchased in China for $3 and you can sell it on your own website for a crazy markup of $25. Here's how you can do it without even touching the product. Make a Shopify account for $1. Design a quick optimized Shopify website for the product. Now go on Tradell.io and connect your Shopify account. Then import the product to your store in one click. Make sure to activate the automated shipment. That way, incoming orders will get shipped out automatically. Now for the marketing part. Go on Fiverr and get cheap ads for the product. Create a meta ad account. Choose sales objective. Set daily budget at $20. Apply your ad and launch it the next day. W's in the chat for more free value. Let me tell you a quick story. A while back, I was stuck in an Ijufied Rhine, feeling like lights were passing by me. Then I discovered Alibaba and each and everything. I figure out how to spot winning products and connect with the solid supplier, and that's what let me kiss that the shop would buy. Now things are even smoother with this awesome tool called Alibaba Lens. Today I'm gonna show you how to use it to start your own side hustle right from your couch. With heads up, this isn't financial advice. Get me sharing what would for me. Treat this like a fun guide to get your brain buzzing. By the end, you'll be ready to dive in with Alibaba Lens and build something dope. Before I jump into the 4 ways I use this tool to start cash online, let's talk about why Alibaba Lens is such a big deal. It's got like 200 million verified products in system, so you know you are dealing with Lego stuff. It's got millions of users and it's rate really high, like 4.58 star. You should pop it into Chrome browser, and bam, it's helping you find products and supplier with a cover place. Whether you wanna sell on Amazon, Shopify, eBay, or TikTok, this thing speeds up the whole process. No more messing with stuff or guessing what to shot. It's a one-click deal that's hook you up with the supplier fast. First thing, you gotta install Alibaba. Lens. Super easy. I drop a link below. Just click it, add to Shop, and you are good in like 10 seconds. Put it into your browser so it's always there when you're ready to roll. When it's set up, you are ready to your way to making moves. Alright, let's get into the first way to cash in. Selling on Amazon. When I started, product research feel like a maze. Alibaba Lens makes it sound simple. The key is finding stuff people are already buy it like hotcakes. Hey, how I do it? I have on Google search Amazon bestseller and check out what's trending. Let's say I'm looking at category I'm into. I spot in this product that's killing it. To measure its legged, I use a tool like Helium 10 to check the stock. It's pulling in million sales. Now here's where Alibaba Lens time. I go to the Amazon list. Maybe this product go in $30. Hop over the image and the price with the lens, and boom, it's so much supplier offering it. Like $6, that's a $24 product margin before fees. And even after Amazon cut, you probably packaged it $10 to $50 per sale. So I put up those and you are cooking. Just hit a supplier through Alibaba to see the deal. It's like stumbling across your mind. Next up, way number 2, Shopify dropshipping. This is awesome if you don't buy with Amazon or don't want to stock up on inventory. Imagine I'm scrolling through Google Shopping and see this product selling for $25. Imagine I'm scrolling through Google Shopping and see this product selling for $25. I can tell it's a hit cause it's popping up everywhere. So I pull up Alibaba Lens, scan the listing, and in seconds, it's so much supplier with this photo that a $21 profit per sale, and you don't even have to chat it. It's if charge to your customer. What time is you can red picky with it. I want to this photo specific features. I've tried that into the lens. It's enter and it's pull up exactly what I'm after. It's like having a cheat code for your store. Third way, by dropshipping. This one is super to you cause you can dropship or by inbox. whatever you feeling. Say I'm browsing eBay, noticed this product blowing up. I checked the listing and it's sold, like 3,000 units at $35 each. I fire up Alibaba Lens, scan the image and price, and it's sold my supplier with this product is $8. That's some serious profit right there. You just freestyle the supplier, set it up, and start listing. With eBay huge audience, you could be moving product in no time. Last one is a banger, selling on TikTok Shop. Social media where the ads at right now, people are shopping on TikTok like their shop, and you can jump on that way. I usually AutoDS to find what's trending. This product got 500,000 views. I checked out the ad, seeing that selling $50. Then use Alibaba Lens to scan it. Boom, supplier pop up this product for $3. And some even let you add your own logo that's custom placed. With ton of supplier option, you pick one that fits, contact them through Alibaba and get your TikTok shop rolling. It's a week, it's hype, and you can see sale popping out fast. So my big mission with this channel to hook you up with the kayak. Now how? I wish I had when I first jumped into online business. Seriously, if I know it stuck back then, I could save myself a ton of headaches, time, and cost. And today, no exception. I'm gonna work you to sit up the laziest side hustle out there. These artists I actually did myself, and they helped me pull me over at rainy day in profit. Racist right. Now before we dive in, let me just say this. I'm not promise you will watch this and pump you a ranking $1,000 a day. That's not how it works, and this ain't financial advice. My goal here is to give you the scoop, what's working, what's not, so you can figure out which hustle buy with you and go for it. Alright, first up, eBay dropshipping. If you've been rocking with me since day one, you know this is a hustle that let me ditch my 9 to 5. Back when I was stuck in debt and job, I started messing around on eBay. The trick, find stuff people are hunting for like, say, cool phone cases, and then hook up with a supplier who ship it for you. All you gotta do is slap in eBay with a killer title, and price is right. Pump, people start clicking and buying. What made a super lazy? Truly AutoDS. I usually spend hour copy listing from Walmart or whatever, but now a couple clicks and it's done. When someone buys, AutoDS tell the supplier the customer info and they ship it. I don't even talk the box. It's honestly one of the chillest way I make money online. Next up, building your own AI power store. It's kinda like eBay dropshipping, but you're the boss of your own website. You pick what you want to sell, maybe $5, maybe $50, and design it however you like. No eBay rules holding you back. And you think this was too much work. Years ago, I paid a guy $100 to build me a site, and it took forever. But now, there's a free AI store builder. I use it and whip up a site like 5 minutes. Pair it with Autodesk to list up like trendy gadgets or whatever, and your supplier handle the shipping. Lazy? Yeah. Plus, I got a free course link below to show you how to get an eye on your store. Check it out. Okay, number 3, a famous YouTube channel. No, I'm not saying you be a millionaire overnight, but hear me out. I run a couple channels myself. Some like this one, I'm on camera. Other, I don't show my face or even talk. They still make money. Here's the deal, pick something you are into, like gaming tips or pet care, something you know more about than average. Post at least 3 videos a week and usually involve AI. I swear this is a game changer. Just tell it what you want and it spit out a full of edited video and AI voice. No editing, no meat needed. I started one channel, and once I hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hour, Google AdSense kicking. It's worked out font, but then it's really hands off. Number 4, selling cheap digital products. Things up under $50 like a quiz guide or checklist. I got into this when a buddy asked me how I stay organized. I made a little PDF planner with an AI tool programmer. You check them your ideas in and it's beauty's list presentation dive slide for you. To make it pop, I added voiceover. Sometimes I do it myself, sometimes I use even laugh on AI voice. Then I chose it in non-simple size. I made in a minutes with hosting service. Or you could use it. They even have it set up on Google. I sold a planner for $50 a pop, and it's a big nice little owner. Barely any work one is set up. Alright, next one. Affiliate income with AI plugin. Sound fancy, but it's simple. You make a plug with AI, write about stuff you like, and link to product or service. If someone buys choose your link, you get a cut. I got this blog about fitness gear. I wrote a post about this awesome workout app and use AI to make it trend on Google and added my affiliate link. Someone read it, sign up, and I get paid. I checked it my PayPal and the other day they sent me a couple $100 a month and just to one up like PGC's I remote. It's a podcast when the blog rolling. When I deeper rub do the AI affiliate video in the comment, I will hook you up. Last but not least, short form content, 10 interim reel or TikTok met with the AI. I started an account, post a quick chip, all the AI generate clips. I blew up and now I sell $20 travel ebook to it. You don't gotta film or edit yourself. You do it all and you can run it from your phone. I got a whole video breaking this down. People are loving it and I know you will get a turnout of it if you watch it start to finish. So there you go, sit lazy side hustle that actually work. I've been where you are, rinding away, wishing I had a soccer. Pick one tight out and let me know how it feels. Hit that like button if you're feeling it and I'll catch you the next one. Hey, what's up everyone? One thing I absolutely love about the internet is how it doesn't matter where you are. You could be chilly on the beach or stuck in your room and you can still make some cash. Take me for example, a while back, I was on a ship sipping coconut water, watching the sunset, and guess what? I was still pulling in the money. Same deal when I've been in place like Tokyo, or even just rushing at friend place. The internet got you back no matter where you are. So in today's video, I wanna break down 3 of my favorite ways to earn money remotely, even if you are starting from scratch. Stick me with the till the end, and you will see how you can get this sale into. Now real quick, before we dive in, this isn't financial advice, okay? I'm just sharing what worked for me, my own little journey. Treat this like fun story time or a bit of inspiration, now some get a squeezed scheme. My goal, by the end, you're gonna feel pumped about possibility out there. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about running an online store where you don't even have a check of products, zero inventory. Picture this, you set up a little shop, online selling stuff like phone gadgets, funky hammock or, but you don't have a year of full nut boxes. Now, you are just a middleman. When someone buy, the supplier ships you straight to them. I remember when I first tried this, I set up a store selling these sweet shawarmas. I was in Thailand, eating pad thai, and people in Canada were buying my mush. Well, right. Here what you gotta do, make a store that looks up, something people wanna browse. These products folks are actually hunting for, like downstairs random jump no one cares about. If your setup smooth, in payment, shipping, or design. Right traffic trade, like get eyes on your site. The cool part, you don't need a ton of cash to start. You are not buying stuff up front. Plus, you can sell to people halfway across the world without leaving your coach. That is the AI tool I mess with is build your store for you. You just build a vibe like fitness gear or a page store, and boom, it's ready. then page with something like AutoDS. The software does handle all the boring stuff, like fulfilling order. Back in the day, I'd be copy address by hand, but now it's all automatic. Client will get the order, zip it, done. It's even wash stuff and brush it for you, so you are not coach or brigade. But here's the real talk, don't just slap and there. Beat the solid supplier, good reviews, quality stuff. In long term, like you are building a legged friend, not just chasing a quick buck. I'll rub a free guide below if you want to dive deeper. It's step by step, not fluff. Next up, let's talk about making money with content, like what I'm doing right now. You probably saw Cheetah on Instagram and seen someone high enough, say a cool backpack or skincare product. They are not making that stuff. They just pointing you to with a link. If you buy, they get a cut. That's a scam. I got into this years ago when I started Austin about camping gear on Instagram. I share a page from a hike, chose link a chant, I like it, and bump, that is my pocket, while it was roughly my slope. It's a deal, you make content, videos, posts, whatever you into. Slip in federal link to product you buy with. When people buy through your link, you score a commission. The best part is free to start. You got YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all at your fingertips. You don't even need inventory like the store idea. For example, there's Amazon Associates program, just the products, the payout I kinda made. So I also try stuff like this. These don't do this. The table of policy where the companies are choosier. Amazing you are into gambling, pause a video with a headset. Link it and castro in while you as level up in your room. You don't get to be on camera either. I know fast killing it with fails content. It's just some hustle get rolling. But if you wanna see how AI can speed this up, drop the with me content AI video in the comment. I'll whip it up for you. Last one, and this is myself right now, is selling digital products people can download instantly. No shipping, no first, 10 evils, checklist, G-sit, stuff like that. I get hooked on this when I made a little photography last year. Took me a weekend and now it's out there making money while I sleep. Here how you can do it. Figure out what you sell. Maybe a workout plan or recipe. Create a quick with tool lines at TBD and Yama, super easy. Pop it on the website and let people grab it. Get traffic following, then social media or whatever you compile with. Not sure where to start? I got this quick. It's linked below. Just 5 minutes. It's asked to apply. What kind of digital can you into? I pick it. I travel it. Set I sell on my own side with like 10 hours a week to spare. It's split out as custom blend, copy that into ChatGPT, and you got a roadmap. Then pass another prompt into Grandma, and they build your product like slick PDF guide. From there, hosting goes at your website. Like 30 seconds, I went from 0 to last size ready. You got a hustle, but start product, and it grows. There you go, 3 ways I've made gas online anywhere. It's not instant. You need try and patience. But picture days sipping coffee on vacation, manga cat rowing, a survivor.